Big news, guys. Introducing Pervert Instruments. We got the perfect tools to fill all your holes. I mean rolls. Now this is a collaboration between Can Toss Guy, Otter Arms, and myself. And I know what you're thinking. If this looks like Can Toss Guy just grabbed some stuff while Rob wasn't looking and we stuck some weirdo stickers on it, well then all I have to say to you is mind your business. You'll live longer that way. Capiche? But seriously, I do have to thank Covert Instruments for donating the tools for the 1K giveaway. Very awesome. Rob sent these out to me free of charge to give to you guys. So before I get into all that, I do have to do some shout outs. Charles Watt, C-Stu-Do, just started his OnlyFans page today. And for $3.99, you got to go over there and check it out, because the stuff that guy does for money is unspeakable. I'd also like to give Lord Nigby's old-fashioned hardwood dick pics. What? Oh, dimple pics. Lord Nigby's old-fashioned dimple pics a shout out. Either way, I've heard he'll ship them directly to your door. He's a gentleman. And Otter Star Ranch. Can't say enough about Otter Star Ranch. Ever since my check cleared and I got my flannel and my manservant, things have just been coming up aces. But like I said, this is the 1K subscriber giveaway, and Covert Instruments donated an arbiter set and a tubular lockpick. And to throw into it, I got this green 1100 and this yellow 7240. I have to apologize beforehand because you will be seeing videos of these. And for the comment giveaway, I have a green Brinks and a purple Brinks that I'll be giving away. And to enter the comment giveaway, all you have to do is comment Loki1K, hashtag Loki1K on this video. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do for your video entries for the main giveaway, consisting of the Covert Instruments tools and the 2 locks, is something that I thought was probably, I want to keep it easy but fun, so we're going to do a lock triathlon. It has to go in this order, but it can be any 3 locks you choose. Can't be the same lock 3 ways. It has to be 3 separate locks. Difficulty, brand, none of that matters. So the first, I want you to rake one. Then I'm going to ask you to bypass one. If I can bypass one. And then, of course, to finish off the 3rd stage of the lock triathlon, I would like you to single pin pick one. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So, nothing difficult, nothing hard, just, the lock triathlon. Rake a lock, bypass a lock, pick a lock for your videos. That's all you gotta do. And then mention me in the comments, and I'll put together a playlist so I can keep track and everybody can see them. But again, the prizes for that are the Covert Instruments arbiter set, the Covert Instruments tubular lockpick, an American 1100, and an Avis 7240. And then the comments, we're going to do the green and the purple Brinks. Again, all you got to do to enter the comment is comment hashtag Loki1K on this video. But I would like to say, thank everybody. 1,000 subscribers is crazy. I never thought I'd get past 100 and now I'm at like 14 something. But thank you guys, because the only way I could do this is because you guys are watching, and I really, really do appreciate it.